a compilation of information from the hearings of the Committee on Dangerous Drugs, chaired by Congressman Robert H. Barbers, Committee on Public Order and Safety, chaired by Congressman Dan Fernandez, Committee on Human Rights, chaired by Congressman Bienvenido Abante Jr., and Committee on Public Accounts, chaired by Congressman Joseph Steven Caraps Paduano, as well as information from Senate hearings regarding dangerous drugs and Philippine offshore gaming operators or POGOs, including data from our agency and various resources. Our investigations began when 560 kilos of shabu worth 3.6 billion pesos were seized in a joint operation of the National Bureau of Investigations, Bureau of Customs, the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency, and the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency in Mexico, Pampanga, in September 24, 2023. After a controlled delivery operation, the boxes of drugs containing shabu were seized in a warehouse owned by Willie Ong, which was constructed on land previously owned by the Tumang family in Pampanga. Willie Ong, also known as Kai Kui Meng, is one of the 5 identified incorporators of Empire 999 Realty Incorporated. Another incorporator of Empire 999 is IDT Young. IDT Young is an incorporator of 2 other companies, Golden Sun 999 Realty and Development Corporation and Yatay Industrial Park Incorporated for their land acquisition. Aside from IDT Young, another incorporator of Golden Sun 999 Realty and Development Corporation is Rose Nono Lim. Rose Nono Lim is also an incorporator of Parmalee Pharmaceutical, which rose to notoriety when it bagged 13 contracts from the government worth a total of 11 billion, all supplies for COVID response during the global pandemic, despite having a declared paid-up capital of only 625,000 pesos. One co-incorporator of Rose Nono Lim in Parmalee Pharmaceutical Corporation is Michael Yang or Hong Meng Yang. Rose Nono Lim and Michael Yang are also co-incorporators of a certain Alan Lin in Piley Holdings Corporation. Alan Lin is the husband of Rose Nono Lim. A reliable informant of Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency suitably identified that Alan Lin or Alan Jeffrey Lin also uses several other identities, namely Jeffrey or Jeff Lin, Ayong, Wixion Lin or Lin Wixion, Alan Lim, and Wen Li Chen. According to this informant, Alan Lim is a close friend of then Special Assistant to the President, Christopher Bongo. Alan Lim is a casino junket operator who is involved in the kidnapping of high-roller Chinese gamblers in Okada, Manila. Alan Lim, or Wixion Lin, was involved in a case involving illegal drugs in Cavite, but this case was dismissed in 2015. Further, Alan Lim allegedly holds Vietnamese, Burmese, and Cambodian passports. Alan Lim and Michael Yang were linked by former PNP Colonel Eduardo Sierto in a drug matrix of the Johnson Chua Drug Trafficking Organization, which Acerto revealed in 2017. Joson Chua is allegedly responsible for operating a drug warehouse in Cagayan de Oro City, the Shabu clandestine laboratory raided by PDEA in Dumoy, Davao City in 2004, and another Shabu laboratory in Bunawan, Davao City. Michael Yang handled shipping requirements for Johnson Chua, while Alan Lim, who was connected to Yang, operated a clandestine Shabu laboratory in Cavite. Yang Jianxin, also known as Tony Yang or Antonio Maestrado Lim, is a sibling of Michael Yang. Tony Yang is allegedly the owner of a Pogo in Cagayan de Oro City and affiliated to Mr. Johnson Chua, the same Chua who is a known smuggler and implicated in the dismantled clandestine Shabu laboratory in Dumoy, Davao City in 2004. Hong Jing Yang is another sibling of Michael Yang. Hong Jiang Yang is also an incorporator of Fullwind Group and Piley Estate Group. The Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission provided information that Hong Jiang Yang and a certain Yashing Khan transferred funds to the company Powerful Land Development Incorporated. Later, investigations revealed that the incorporator of Powerful Land is Alice Leal Guo or Guo Waping, the former mayor of Bamban, Tarlac. Powerful Land Development Incorporated is the real estate company that leased its compound to the Pogo licensee Hongxing Gaming Technology Incorporated, later renamed Zoom Yuan Technology Incorporated. According to Senator Risa Hontiveros, the money amounting to 3.3 billion pesos from Hong Kong from Hong Jiang Yang and Yu Ching Kan was used to bankroll Hongxing Gaming Technology Incorporated. Hongxing Gaming Technology Incorporated built the Pogo Complex in Bamban, which was raided on March 13, 2024. The Anti-Money Laundering Council released the results of its investigation last July 2024 and identified several companies linked via financial instruments and transactions to Ms. Alice Go. One company identified by the AMLAC caught the attention of Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. RMCE Metal Products Trading Company, which received fund transfers from Alice Go through QJJ Farm and her personal bank accounts. QJJ Farm is owned by Alice Go. RMCE Metal Products had been previously investigated by AMLAC and PDEA for having financial interactions with accounts of Concepcion M. Chua and her husband, Ronnie Chua. The Chua accounts had been previously identified by PDEA as instruments used for money laundering by convicted Chinese drug lord Wu Tuan Yuan, better known as Peter Ko. These accounts are the subject of money laundering cases, even as Peter Ko is serving his drug sentence in Sablayan Penal Farm in Occidental Mindoro. That ends my presentation, sirs.
Thank you, Deputy Director Gumban. May we know if you have a soft copy of that presentation? Can you please submit that to the committee?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, maraming salamat po.